All right, guys, let's go and do it again. So I got my car ready. Just see, I got my light on. I got my camera going. I got my app going as well too. And let's go ahead and see what is going on today. So today's Friday, the 25th. I go to work this afternoon at my regular job. So we're only doing this till 11, 12 o'clock. All right, guys, so we're doing this till 11 or 12 o'clock. Let's get started and see how much we can make. So again, today is Friday, the 25th, October 25th. Halloween's next week. So let's see what we can do today. Got my Uber app on, ready to go. Trying to see if we could do 10 rides real quick. See how much we can make in 10 rides. All right, I'll update you and let you know at the very end. All right, guys, so we got red everywhere. Let's see where we're going to go today. What time is it? Let me see. Let's take a look and see what we got going on. We're going to pick this one. This one says it's paying $19, and it's going to downtown. So it says it's real busy, but we're going to take the... Oh, gosh, we missed it. All right, we'll keep on taking a look. Let's see what else is out there. All right, let's keep on looking. Oh, wait, I think we got it. We sure did. Okay, so we got this one. It's gonna take about 30 minutes total, roughly, and it's paying $20. All right, guys, I'll update you, let you know. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and I picked up another one. This other one's paying me $24, and we're going to Intercontinental. So it looks like 19 minutes to pick them up, and then it's going to be another 15 minutes to drop them off from that area. But, all right, guys, I'll update you and let you know. All right, guys, so that one just paid me a $8 tip. So I tell them thank you. So total on that one was $34. All right, guys, let's go. Let's do the next one. All right, guys, I just finished that one. They gave me an $8 tip. I'm at $54 and it's $9.17. I had to stop and have a little break. All right, guys, now back onto it. Let's go. All right, I picked up this one. This one's paying me $9 and it's about a 20-minute drive. All right, let's go. I'm just picking them up. I'm picking them up, the ones that are a little bit higher. Those are the ones I'm picking up. I'm just going for it. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and I'm picking up another one. This one's taking me to the area I want to go to. All right, let's go. All right, I just finished dropping off that one. So far, I'm at $71, and it's $10.30. All right, guys, let's go. Let's try to do a couple more. All right. All right, guys, I picked up another one. Just in case I didn't tell you. This one's going closer to my destination. $10. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I just come to the end of my shift. Made $80 and it's $11.20. All right. Keep on picking them up. Keep on picking them up. If you can go longer, go longer. I only had to do a certain amount of hours, and this is it. All right, guys, let's go. So on this one, we did, let me see how many. Let me see if we can get to that. Okay, so we did 5 trips, $80. 5 trips and $80. All right, let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. So today is Sunday, October 27th. 5 more days until Halloween. So it is 11:42, about 12 o'clock. I just got my oil change, air filter in the car, rotated my tires. I actually had a nail in my tire. So anyways, all that, about $100. So those are part of the things that you pay to maintain it, but maintain it so that way this thing keeps on lasting. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get started. So 10 trips, $100, 20 trips, $200. All right, so it's about 12 o'clock. let's go ahead and get started and see what is out there. So my idea, what I'm doing is I'm picking up as many as I can, try to make as much money as I can while I'm doing it, okay? So I'll update you at the very end or my next ride. Let's go. All right, I just got my first one, 13 bucks, 15. Whoa, man. That's kind of a long drive. Anyways, we already got it, so let's go. Hopefully wherever it takes us out, we'll get up another one. Being that it's kind of it's about 12 o'clock right now, so it may be a little slower. Anyways, if you feel you gotta pick it up, pick it up. I was kind of waiting for about 5 minutes, nothing happened, so I like to pick cherries, but when the cherries are thin, pick what you got. All right then, let's go. All right, guys, we just finished that one, and it is 12:24. All right. It didn't take me all of what did it say? 10 minutes to get there, 20. It didn't take all of 40 minutes. Anyways, now I'm waiting for my next one to come through because we got to get something. All right. All right, I just picked up another one. Let's go. I'll update you, let you know where we're at. All right, I just picked this one up, and it paid me like $14, I think, or $13. And it was saying that it was 5 miles to pick them up and then 22 to drop them off as well. But I was kind of getting worried because there was really nothing going on where I dropped this last person at. And this one came through, picked me up to get me out and keep on going. All right, guys, it is 12:38. Let's go. But it is a beautiful day out there. Just so that way you know, when we're riding, man, take a look at everything, because today's a beautiful day. No rain, no ice. And be careful with the drivers too. Got a lot of crazy drivers out here. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I just completed that one. And it's updating, so that was paid me 14. It's already 1 o'clock. Both those 27. We could make a little bit more. That was in 1 hour. We gotta keep on trying to make better ones. All right, guys. Let's be on the lookout. Let's get ready. Let's don't complain. Let's keep on going. Find some more. It's 120. It's 107. 107. I don't know if you can see that. All right, I just picked me up another one, but this last one I wanted to show you, I got a $5 tip, $458 tip, and equaled 18. So cool. So far I'm at 31 in that hour. I got another one. This one I'm just gonna pick up like 3 minutes away, and dropping them off about 20 minutes away. It's at a cruise, so I'll update you and let you know. Let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and that one paid me 12 bucks. 3 trips already, $44. Let's go. Now I was looking for some more here in the area. Let's keep on looking. Let's keep on searching. Let's keep on making some money. Now remember, I'm waiting for that big one to come through. I'm waiting for the one that's going to pay me $50 for 20 minutes. But until that one comes, we're going to keep on looking. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that last one gave me an $8 tip. So that 13 equaled 20. Woo! So we're at already 52 in 3 trips. All right, let's keep on looking. All right, guys, I just got this one, and it was like $8.60. 7 minutes to pick him up, 7 minutes to drop him off. Let's go. Actually, 7 miles. All right. Let's see. All right. All right, I just dropped that one off. Oh, let's see. That one paid me $8. That one just paid me $8, and I'll pick up another one that pays me $13. So for right now, so far, we're at 60. So this other one with 13 put me at 73. But that's 4 rides, 60 bucks, and it's 241. We're going on, is that 2.5 hours or 3 hours? But we got to keep on getting them. Keep on looking for the big cherries. All right, let's go. Cherry picking, no cherry picking. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one. That one paid me $12.66 and total 73 so far out of 5 trips. Let's go. Keep on going. Let's go. All right, guys, I picked up this one. This one was for $17. It's like 15 minutes to pick them up and then 8 minutes to drop them off. All right, guys, let's be on the lookout for another one after this one. We're getting close to that $100. All right, I just finished that one, and it's $4.10 right now. Paid me $17, $16.95, and so far 90 bucks. So 4 hours, 90 bucks. Let's keep on going. All right, guys, I'll update you at the very end. Total. This might be my last one though, but I'll let you know. It's very time to get out. All right, I am putting my destination on to get me home. All right, guys. I'm picking up my last one. I forgot to tell you, my last one going to where there's like 21 bucks. Let's go. All right, guys. So I just dropped that one off. I did toward destination, the filter, and I picked one up, and so I wanted to let you know. And that one paid me actually $21. And I have it on still, and I'm picking up one more, and that's going to be it for the day. It's already 5 o'clock, and I'm at, where am I at? I'm at 110, 111. And this other one's going to pay me like, I think $13 probably. So it'll probably put me at 123 or 13, something like that. All right, and I'll put it at the very end. All right, guys, and that's 7 trips. We're trying to get 10. It's going to be at 8. The idea is try to do like 10 trips, $100, 20 trips, 200, 30 trips or 300. So it kind of gives you an idea. Just a kind of rule of thumb type thing. But anyways, and we try to do, 10 in 4 hours. But this right here is already, 5 hours, and we only did 7, but it paid 100, and so let's just say 8. All right, guys. Some of these trips are a little bit longer. Let's go. All right, I just finished dropping that one off, and that one paid me $12.97. So 13 bucks it paid me, and that made 8 total trips, 124 bucks and 87 cents. That was 8 trips. It's already, what time is it? It's like 5:30. So it's time for me to get going. And man, if you can keep on going, keep on going. But that's going to be it for me today. And I'll update you at the very end with all the totals. Let's go.